Welcome to my simple silk makeover featuring the color Cactus. This is a beautiful solid wood secretary, but it really needs an update. It's been scratched on, names carved inside, and really needed a makeover. I cleaned very well with white lightning and then came in to scuff sand with my Surf Pret sander. When painting any piece of furniture, it's always important to clean very well before you begin and rinse with water. This will remove any dirt, oils, or grime left on the piece. On the corner of a couple drawers, I needed to come in with my Dixie Belle mud. Dixie Belle mud can be applied to any chips or problems with your veneer. Once it's dry, you can sand it back to flat. Then you can paint right over top of it. So I have chosen the color for this piece and it is going to be fabulous. This is one of my most favorite colors from the Silk Paint line. This is Cactus. Cactus is a gorgeous kind of boho green. I think that it's really going to kind of mute this piece because this is kind of like a bold piece, right? It's got those scary claw feet with the ball and it drops down in the front and the hardware is gold. So I want to kind of like minimize the style. And in order to minimize the style and make it fit in any space or anybody's home, using a nice neutral color like Cactus, which always turns out beautifully, is going to be the perfect choice. Silk paint is very easy to use. You should use a dry synthetic smooth brush and apply one even coat. Wait approximately 2 hours, then come in to apply your second coat. It's actually really great paint. It self-levels, it's mildew resistant, and it dries fairly quickly. Silk paint is fabulous for those one-day flips because you can go in, paint your entire piece, and when you're done, you're done. You just walk away. Since that built-in top coat will protect your work, there's no need to use any extra top coat or wax, unless you wanted to come in and add gilding wax or any dark wax for accents. I added a small accent touch of gold gilding wax onto the ball of the feet of this piece, and I was finished.